Thank you for reaching till registration page. Are you excited about MLOps? Here we go. Machine Learning Operations Masterclass. Do you know, like every recruiters today, not only interested in data science and machine learning skill sets, they are also very seriously looking for candidates with MLOps skill sets. In past decade, every corporate focused on solving customers' problems by building ML model, but they haven't had a solid machine learning pipelines for continuous integration and delivery. Challenges in operationalized machine learning models have a lot common with the software production, like incorporating source and version control. Not only that, you need to version your data sets, model artifacts versioning, building feature stores, etc. So, this is where MLOps comes into the picture. It's a discipline that sits at the intersection between the domains of machine learning, data engineering, and DevOps. It's a practice for collaboration and communication between your teams. So, let's get started with a 2 days complete hands-on masterclass on machine learning operation, where you learn to design ML pipelines, to build, train and deploy your machine learning models in a real-time production environment. Let's get started with the most powerful MLOps tools available in the market. Amazon SageMaker Studio. Okay. So, who should attend this masterclass? Data scientists, obviously data engineers, machine learning engineers, software engineers, DevOps engineers. Why you shouldn't miss this masterclass? Obviously, there are 15 plus hands-on exercises, 2 real-time projects, dedicated mentoring session from industrial expert, then hours of Hansen session. For more information, check out a curriculum attached in this page. See you in our masterclass.